Today, we're doing 5 amazing science experiments you can try at home with just a candle and a few things from around your house. Let's go! Pour some water on a plate with a candle in the middle. Light the candle, then put a glass over the top. As the candle burns, it heats the air. When it goes out, the air cools and contracts, creating lower pressure inside the glass. There's a higher pressure outside the glass, forcing the water in. Cut out a spiral and suspend it from a skewer. Light a candle underneath and watch it spin. The hot air rising from the candle creates convection currents that push against the spiral, causing it to rotate. The reaction between vinegar and baking powder produces carbon dioxide, which is denser than air. As you tilt the jar, the carbon dioxide flows down and smothers the flame. No oxygen, no fire. Remember to like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. Comment down below any videos you'd like to see in the future. Place some damp paper towel and a lit candle on a small plate, then cover it with a glass. Hold the glass down until the flame goes out. Once the candle goes out, try lifting a glass. The cooling air inside creates a partial vacuum, and the pressure outside holds the plate tightly to the glass. Blow out the candle and quickly light a smoke trail. The flame jumps back to the wick. The smoke contains wax vapor. Light it and the flame travels down the vapor path to reignite the wick.